Guys and gals, glad to have you with us today. This is an awesome little hack, an awesome little tip. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Thompson. Now, let's get busy. What we have here are some sockets from all kinds of brands. This one's Pittsburgh, where you know where they come from. And then we have I think it's an Everlast or something like that. And then a Snap-on. We never throw a tool away. Over the years, we probably collected hundreds of sockets, and we still have them all. But what I'm doing right now is I'm cleaning the lettering. And the biggest problem is you can't read them. And I finally had all I can take of not being able to read them. You're sitting there putting your glasses on, or your magnifying glass, or got to have a flashlight to see what they are. And if you got a lot of sockets, it can be real painful. So I clean them with Old 99, and now I'm just drying them off real quick. I'm not going to speed the video up. I could, but I'm not going to. But this is a good little deal to do if you're in the wintertime, snowing and blizzard. Bring some of your sockets in and do this. Now, the paint pens we're using are really the best ones we've ever used. They work really good. And basically all you do is what I'm doing right here. You just smear the paint onto the cleaned socket. Now, you can do this with your wrenches too. If you have wrenches that have the imprinted size of the wrench, do this same process. And I hope you guys all had an awesome New Year's and Christmas. We're looking for 2025 and on to be the best years ever. We were on vacation for a couple of weeks, and we actually went to New Orleans. And yes, I said New Orleans. We're not of the night crowd. And it's a pretty bad deal there. And we just send our condolences to all the people that were involved in that. Need a little more love. That's for sure in this world. So with these paint pens, you basically just press them down, the paint comes out, and I let them dry in the time it takes to do, I don't know, 5 or 6 sockets. And it works really good. And there's another thing you can do if you want to keep that, from having to do it every 2 or 3 years. You can spray a coat of good quality clear coat on it. And that'll stay there for a very, 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 very long time. You can use some of your old ceramic coating on it as well. So now I just take some Old 99. I don't like it sopping wet on there, so I kind of let the rag absorb some of it. The blue towels work great for this. And you don't have to squeeze real hard. You just basically coast the socket through it. I don't have a grip on it whatsoever. And there it is. It's like magic. Beautiful. We've got a lot of great videos coming up on our channels, folks. So make sure you're on Mr. Know-It-All. Make sure you're on Sweet Scoots. Works on Chrome as well. You can see that. And Budinsky, our new channel. We got some good subjects coming up on that. Sweet Motorhomes. Look at that. 3/8. Is that what that said? Yeah. And you can read it perfectly clear. That's it. Sweet Project Cars. Out.